Ever wish you could hit pause on your emails and send them exactly when you want? Well, Gmail's got your back with its super useful scheduling feature. First things first, let's get started by clicking on the Compose button in the bottom left corner of your Gmail inbox. This opens up a new message window where you can craft your email. Now, just like any other email, fill in your recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and type out your message. You can add attachments, format your text, or even insert emojis, whatever you need to make your message perfect. Instead of hitting that main send button, look for the small arrow right next to it. Give that arrow a click, and you'll see a few options appear. From this drop-down menu, choose the option that says Schedule Send. This is where the magic happens. Now, Gmail presents you with some handy preset times, like tomorrow morning or Monday morning, but if those don't quite fit your needs, look for Pick Date and Time. Clicking Pick Date and Time will open up a calendar and a clock. Here, you can select the exact date and time you want your email to fly out. Make sure to choose a time that's most effective for your recipient. Once you've set your desired date and time, click Schedule Send. You'll see a confirmation at the bottom of your screen, and the Send button will now indicate that your email is scheduled. To manage your scheduled emails, head to the Scheduled folder in your left-hand sidebar. You can view, edit, or even cancel any emails you've booked in advance. And there you have it. Scheduling emails in Gmail is a fantastic way to stay organized, optimize your productivity, and ensure your messages reach their destination at the perfect moment. Happy scheduling!